Can I help?
Are you gonna are you gonna push it off onto this big snow pile? You gonna pick it up and throw it on the snow pile? I think you should come back the other way.
Why are they shoveling?
Because there's snow on their driveway.